Hey guys, so when you click on the OVERAPP, you'll get to this page. You'll click the little plus sign on the bottom and then swipe to white background. Comes up, press the check mark, and then you'll be ready to upload an image. I would pick the bundles, of course, and you want to kind of make it big to the size where people can see the image. So I'm kind of playing with it right now. So it's good. Press the check mark. And then go down to image and click that button, and then I bring up the car bar. The reason for that is because I'm doing an incentive for my VIP group. If they buy the bundle, they'll get a free car bar of their choice. So that's going to help me pre-order. So after you click the check mark, you're going to go down and click the little text button and think of something unique to say. So what I said was, when you buy a pre-order bundle, you will get a car bar of your choice. Something simple, but you can do whatever you want, but this is what I prefer for my people. So I will see if this works. But this whole point of the OVERAPP is for you to be creative and do your own post and graphics, okay, for your people. Now, I see that I messed up on the you part. It says your, so I'm going to edit that. You just double tap on the box, and then you go up to the word and just edit it. And then I'm actually going to probably do a different font. So now I'm just kind of going through all of them that are free. If it says pro, that means you have to pay for it. I found one. Perfect. So I'm going to click the check mark, and then I make it fit so it's clear, you can see all the words, check mark, and then I'm gonna go to the web browser, and I'm actually gonna show you guys how to find a random picture you might want to use. So I click Fall Festival because it's harvest season, and then I'm gonna go to images, and then I'm gonna click a picture that I like. It might take you a few times to find like the right picture, kind of just looking at what I like. So I might like the pumpkins, scroll down, probably more images of the pumpkin. So I like this pumpkin. And then I'm going to actually hold down the photo and then copy it. Let's see, I'm trying to paste it, but I think I put add to photos. So it might be in your photos, but click on the picture and press copy. And then click on the screen and then press paste. And then you can put it wherever you want. That's how people do their own graphic. Okay, so hopefully this will help you kind of get an idea of how you can do your own thing. But yeah, so now I'm going to go back to the browser, and I'm going to actually go to my photos, and I found my picture of me I took a while back, and I'm going to go to the bookmark or down, and I'm going to press copy photo, and I'm going to paste myself onto the photo because people need to see you. This is your thing. So just kind of play with it. I think it'll be better to put myself on the left side, move the image to the right side. It will take time, but trust me, when you do this, you'll get used to it. You'll make it a habit, and it'll be awesome, okay? I'm just showing you a quick little preview. Usually it's not like this quick, but it's good enough, right? So kind of play with the other images, kind of make it big, it fits. And then I'm kind of thinking like, I don't think I need that pumpkin graphic picture, right? So I'm going to delete it. I think there's too many pictures. So I'm going to go back to the web browser and actually type in wow. So I want people to be like, whoa, this is a great deal. Then go to images and go down. I see the girl who's saying, wow, awesome. I like that cartoon thing. So I'm going to hold on the image and click copy. And then go back to OVERAPP and then paste it. Boom. How awesome is that? So there you go. I hope you guys like this little preview of how to use the OVERAPP. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys a tutorial. And now I want you to go to your app store and type in Over, and then you will get the new latest version of Over, which is under GoDaddy Design. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please message me. Bye.